I'm Nick with RV Designer. Today I'm going to show you our GripSafe Handrail Assist. It's an easy install for entering and exiting your RV. What it has on both the top and bottom brackets is 4 screws that you just drill inside to your RV on the side door. The screws do come with the kit itself. The only thing you got to do is make sure you have 3/16 clearance for the cap to fit over, just as so. It snaps in place and protects all the housing inside. The way it operates is a simple mechanism here. You press the button in and it solidly locks in place, either left hand or right hand side. And this is the open position. So you don't have that jiggling motion when you enter and exit your RV. If you also notice, it has a solid grip on the handle, so your hand does not slip when you enter and exit the RV. Pretty simple to use, pretty simple to install. Thank you for watching.